I'm Tabitha Monaghan and this is the Indo Campaign Daily. With just 3 sleeps left to go until polling day, it's crunch time for candidates. Mary Lou McDonald was on today's episode of the Indo Daily podcast where she spoke about immigration, Gerry the Monk Hutch, and poured cold water on a potential presidential bid by Gerry Adams.
I don't think he has the remotest interest in being the president of Ireland. Could I see him in that role? I don't think so. I mean, I think at this stage, he's doing a lot of writing. He has his own podcast, as we were discussing earlier. So no, I don't see him going that route.
After reports that a member of Simon Harris's campaign team raised concerns with RTE about publishing the now infamous video clip from Kanturk, Paschal Donoghue has defended the communication.
So any contact that has happened between Fine Gael and any broadcaster and our state broadcaster, I believe has been appropriate. It's the kind of exchange that happens normally. My party and I have never threatened to sue any journalist. We've never threatened to review the impartiality of any journalist or any broadcaster.
Micheál Martin again ruled out going into government with Sinn Féin, but it's not personal, it's policy.
Is it Sinn Féin people or Sinn Féin policy that offends you the most?
Policy. I'm saying the policy is incompatible with our policies.
What about the people?
What do you mean the people?
Mary Lou.
No, this isn't personal. I mean, I anybody who knows me knows like that I focused always on policy and the substance of issues, not on personalities.
But all eyes will be on tonight's debate when the 3 leaders who are fighting to become Taoiseach go head to head. And as we saw across the pond not too long ago, leaders' debates can make or break a campaign, especially so close to the end. And remember, you can follow all election 2024 coverage on the Irish Independent.